Guys, you remember Sergeant Rachel Kotumela, the one who was busy analyzing family members. It's not even her family members. She was analyzing them and then cashing up on the insurance money. So another 3 have been arrested. I've done the story so many times. It's on my other channel, News Galore, for days, and it's also on What's the Tea, Siyahlaziya. What happened was that with Rachel, she started living this life. Already people were babemsola vele. She started living this crazy life for a sergeant. And at some stage in my one video on News Galore for days, I even mentioned, you know what? Why didn't you just go to school if you wanted to be a brigadier, maybe, and earn a lot of money? Because that's brigadiers on earn about 100,000 rands a month. I think that's enough for Rachel because she's so greedy. She would rather than analyze family members and other people she doesn't even know from a bar of soap so that she can have money. You know, this is my thing. I was just like, you 43. At 30, you could have been a brigadier, or 35 if you wanted to, instead of sitting at the constable level or the sergeant level. When you go and decide to you're going to analyze people unprovoked, and then the next thing, people are not going to see you. How does that work? 10 million rands, guys, and then you involved your family members. So the first person that was actually arrested who's been in jail is the daughter, Rachel Kotumela's daughter, her sister. Now it's the brother and other family members. They didn't really count the other 2. Actually, 3 people were arrested. The warrant of arrests were out there. I'm a 205 up. Says accents of me were we learning that's about law. I'm a 205 up. They were out. But they were arrested because of Rachel. So the whole amount of this money is about 10 million rands, guys. They've just been chowing. How it happened with Rachel? I was just like, Rachel, how can you drive a big, you see those big Isuzus? She was driving there, she was driving a BM. She had like 3-4 cars. Guys, from a mere salary a sergeant. Okay, guys. And then when you are safer when you've got that kind of money. People are like, no, vele sexual. People are just like, no. So after my family members, they're arrested. All of them now. It's actually 6. So it's 6 now when you look at it. Yeah. Including the latest 3 that has just been arrested. Okay, guys. Now always say nalapha kusenzo meyo amagaza abantu. Stay away.